It was 7 years ago since we last drifted together, so. Oh my God. And it feels just the same. I don't think anything, nothing has changed.
Neither of us have gotten any better.
Yeah, it's been the same. So I felt at home. I felt comfortable. I was ready to follow you off the cliff again. Yeah.
I'll follow you to the end of the flat earth.
Yeah, we'll jump it. Well, we crashed stuff already. We broke stuff. Nothing has changed. With time, you're supposed to get better.
We get worse.
Myth busted.
Your pants got better.
Yeah.
Let me get the slow zoom.
Back minute, I guess.
Hey man, you literally just slid like
almost the whole wall.
No, it was the whole wall.
I think I missed like one.
No, I was standing at that one.
Well, I planned that one out to like set my transition up early so I could try to do the whole wall.
You transitioned early. Like back at the beginning of that first turn.
Right.
That was nasty. And you broke a flag and stole a noodle, so you should be ashamed of yourself. This guy. Desert Meihan 2 was a sick event. Thank you guys so much for having me out. I would love to come back next year. Sorry the Z wasn't super exciting, but hey, I got to drive a bunch, and that's all that matters right now. A lot of dudes were shredding so hard. So pumped to see all that. A lot of carnage. Not so pumped to see that, but hey, those dudes were pushing it, so that happens. But I got a little bit of GoPro footage of one of the last sessions before I had to take back off for Albuquerque of dudes running the wall. It was great to be over there. Thank you guys so much for having me out. I'll see you next year when you come out to No Coast.